don't know about you, but when I see a bunch of men holding up some trays and going through the woods, this looks like a fun, entertaining day with the boys hanging out, you know, going out and about, looks like. What are these guys up to? So it looks like they're going to be cooking a bunch of Indian folks over in India in a village, cooking golden palula recipe. So let's find out what they got going on. Here we go, walking through. Yeah, like it.
Pakistan pulav
I don't know what that was. You said Pakistan? I don't know.
Welcome you.
Look at that. Bare hands. Bare hands. Does anybody wash their hands? You know, they're out in the middle of the woods. Don't think there's a sink out there. Doesn't sound like they're near a stream. Look at that. Sharp knife right there. Guys cutting through that. Look at that. Looks like probably some lamb. Be my guess there. Sweet knife. Sweet knife. Look at that. Toss it in there. Bare hands. Yeah. Cut right through that sucker. Get that. Look at. I cut some of that little silver skin off there. Not gonna like that down the road. Kind of looks like a pear. Oh yeah. Oh, they weren't too far from a stream. Using all the natural resources right there. I'm sure they probably raised this goat before they killed it. About to eat it. Thought that guy was gold panning for a second. Look at that. Clean that all off. All that grossness from the raw meat is going to go down the stream. I'm sure PETA is going to love that one. Chopping everything up the same knives, and hopefully they clean those up when they went to clean the meat up. What do you think they did, huh? Oh, yeah. Like tomatoes. Those tomatoes look good. Some nice tomatoes. Probably not any greenhouse tomatoes like that. That's probably natural growing outside. You tell them, sir. Oh, yeah. We're going to boil some water, looks like. That's a big pot. The guy looks like he has, look at that. He has a part like me. I want to relate it. Oh, my phone's ringing. Probably turns it off in these videos. That's pretty cool. Clean it all off. Onions. Onions are in everything. Onions, celery, and carrots. That's pretty much everything. Tomatoes, gonna add a little bit of acid to it, and add some sweet flavor. Very simple recipe. Very simple. Like it. Stir it up. Don't know what this guy's saying. I should probably wait. There are subtitles down there. Horseradish, I think it said there. Oh, and a little seasoning packet they're probably doing, looks like. Yep, big seasoning packet. That looks good. Sees venison in there. Got some cinnamon sticks. Looks like some fentanyl is probably in there. Fennel, not fentanyl. Yeah, fentanyl. Gonna kill them all as everybody eats that. Probably kill them before they put it in there. Yeah, see right there. Get the flavor, get the oils out of it. That's awesome. A lot of people, that's an easy trick to do right there that a lot of people don't do. Just throw it in the hot frying pan, and it doesn't take very long. Once you start getting the aroma, turn it off, put it on a plate, or like this gentleman here, put it on a stone and then crush it. That's pretty cool. Need one of those. Making a paste, chili paste. Making chili paste. Wow. Yeah, it just smells and aroma of that. It's got to be great. I'm taking the bag out. I thought that was the meat at first. I was like, ugh. Oh, the meat's done yet. Look at that. It's like, looks pretty tender. It looks like it's going to fall off the bone right there. I like it. That broth is probably going to be pretty tasty. Use that broth in a couple things. I gotta tell you, it's not the prettiest looking dish, but man, I like my meat just a little more. I don't like boiled meat that much. You guys do? If you do, leave a comment on boiled meat. I know, like my grandparents and great grandparents, I think they used to boil like ribs, anything tough. I think they boiled it just to kind of break everything down. kind of get it a little flexible, a little pliable before you cook it. It doesn't cook as long in the oven or on the barbecue. Problem with boiling meat is you're boiling out all the nutrients. You're not really getting all the nutrients you get. Yeah. Coconut oil. It says coconut oil right there, so that's pretty cool. Onions. More shredded. They like onions. Not any dishes got onions in it. Like it. Yeah. Well, putting that paste in there. Oh yeah. But that kicks it up a notch. Look at that color. I like that color. And all this fresh seasonings that they toasted up and then crushed. Yeah. I wish I had smell of it. Feel smell it. I bet it smells really good. That's why they're out in the woods, because people around them smell this and then they come in and eat all the food. And you can't have that. They only made enough for these guys. The garbanzo beans looks like. Serving that up. That's good. How many dishes do you think this guy has cooked like this? This is great. You know, these guys actually live in an apartment in the city, and they so they doesn't go out. I think that's what they found out about a lot of these people making these videos. Like they were just, everyday people, obviously, and then went out and made these videos and got a lot of people to watch them. Heck, I hope a lot of people watching. Heck, I hope you're watching it right now. Look at this. Toss that in there. Kosher salt, said. Yeah, beautiful. We're putting the meat back in. So yeah, so it wasn't quite all the way done. Yeah, that meat's just gonna fall off the bone. It's gonna be great. Like a stew. Lamb stew. Probably getting all the cart. I thought they were picking up cartilage, tossing it out. Guess not. The gelatin, like the cartilage and all the interesting things that come out of the bones, kind of adds a little gelatin, jellifies the water a little bit. Let it rest. Look at that. Beautiful. It's an apple. Looks like a Fiji. Boom! Look at that. We've got the rice. I can get behind this dish. I'm not a big lamb guy. I like it though. Almost looks like it's alive. It's moving. I guess that's not rice. I should have read what that was. What do you guys? What is that? Like a long rice, maybe? If you know, comment in this. Oh, look at that. There we go. Garbanzo beans and the meat. That's wonderful. God, man. The problem about doing these food videos is it makes you hungry. Get fat. Yeah. Probably a little bone in there. Oh, so they're actually taking the meat out of it, so don't serve it together, or as one dish, I guess. Huh.
ஆட்டுக்கறி சமைக்கலாம், ஆட்டுக்கறி வேக வைக்கலாம். ஆனா ஒரு மனுஷன் இந்த அளவுக்கு வேக வைக்கிறது நீங்களே பாருங்களேன். இருங்க.
No idea what you're saying. They don't put subtitles on this, guys.
இத சாப்பிட்டு பார்த்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்ல வேண்டாம். பார்க்கவே அவ்வளவு ஆசையா இருக்கு. பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கலாம் போல.
Yeah. Use those fingers. Get them in there. Oh yeah. It's like a banana leaf on there as your plate on top of a stump in the woods. Using your fingers. The only thing they brought out was some knives and spoons and a couple pots and pans, and they're good to go. Spent the whole afternoon out there cooking this lovely dish. The sound. Yeah, I can't. It's one of the worst sounds of these people eating. Yeah, smack that sucker down. Yeah, take it off and off. At least it looks like these guys are like, you know, they've washed their hands, they're manicured, they're not sloppy. I've seen some videos of people, you look at people who are like, oh my gosh, you showered in last week. But yeah, it looks great. These guys did a really good job. Looks good. Looks like a nice little meal right there.
நம்ம இன்னைக்கு சமைச்சிருக்க சமையல் பேரு பாகிஸ்தானி பேசுவாரி சாவல்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதே இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சமைச்சிருக்கோம். இதுல ஹைலைட் காஞ்ச திராட்சை, கொண்டக்கடலை, பஞ்சு மாதிரி வேக வச்ச
just that much pepper in there. Blow your mouth off.
வேற லெவல். அது வந்து இதுல தாளிச்சா எதுமே ஊத்தாம சாப்பிடுவாங்க. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கோம். வெறித்தனம் வேற லெவல்.
All right.
சூப்பரா இருக்கு.
Good job, you guys. Good job. Hope you guys like their meal. Enjoy the commentary. I'm gonna do more of these. Come back. Oh wait, look at this. We got a little more. Thought they're over. A little cream. Yeah, I gotta go home. Mom, can't leave Mom out. Oh, look, they failed the whole village. Look at them. So the cooks got down, ate what they needed to eat, and then went back and fed the whole village. Wow. This is why people need to travel more outside the United States to see things like this. I mean, people say they're in poverty here. I mean, there is poverty. There's poor people in the United States, but overseas, man, it's overwhelmingly different. So, thanks for watching. I Need BBQ YouTube channel. We're gonna do more of these. Come back again. Talk to you guys later.